Welcome to Style Skating. We're going to work on brackets today, and we're going to start from 2-foot glide forward and doing kind of a rocking motion from the heel to the toe, and then we're going to repeat same gliding on 1 foot, keeping your balance and keeping your hips over your skating leg. Working with your ankle. I'm going to do same kind of motion next to the wall, trying to draw a triangle going from heel to the toe and then back to the heel. Working with your ankle again. Then we're going to start working on brackets on the small circles, which will help us to hold proper edge before and after bracket. Keep your back straight, head up, and work with your knee, ankle and hip on a turn. Keeping your free leg behind, closer, slightly turn out and closer to your skating leg. On forward inside bracket, I like to hold free leg in front before the bracket and then check behind after the bracket. On the forward brackets, you're going to rock from the heel to the front and back on the heel. You're going to go down before bracket, slightly up during bracket, and then go down again after the bracket. Try to repeat 5-10 times each foot, each bracket, to get more comfortable. On the backward brackets, your upper body look inside circle. And again, if on 3 turns we work in upper body a lot, on the bracket we're trying to stay still with upper body and just work with your skating leg, going down, up, down, pressing on the front of your foot, then on the heel during the bracket, and then back on the front of your foot. Keeping your free leg behind, closer to your skating leg, and slightly turn out. Then we're going to do backward and side brackets and trying to keep your hips over your skating leg. Checking your shoulders before and after bracket. Keep your skating knee bent and look in the direction of your movement before and after the bracket. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.